Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed slightly positive on Monday, lifted by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, tech hardware and equipment, and software and services sectors. Meanwhile, on the economic docket, the Chicago Fed National Activity Index edging up to negative 0.02 in June. This all as 48% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, TD Ameritrade posting third quarter adjusted EPS of $1.04, up from 89 cents a year ago, on net revenue of $1.49 billion, up from $1.38 billion. The company announced that its current president and CEO, Tim Hockey, will be leaving the company at the end of February 2020. Turning overseas, Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei up 0.95%, the Hang Seng up 0.34%, China's CSI 300 up 0.22%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.39%. European markets gaining ground, and U.S. futures call for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Coca-Cola, Lockheed Martin, United Technologies, Visa, and Texas Instruments. While on the economic docket, 8:55 in the morning, we have the Red Book. 9 o'clock in the morning, we have the May Housing Price Index. And 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the July Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index and June existing home sales figures. Taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That has a look focus at 3,009.50. The relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 29.79 are favored, with targets at 3,003 and 3,009.50 in extension. The Nasdaq sees further upside, while the Dow Jones sees 27,330 expected.